Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'll show you how easy it is to create your own night serum for the eye area using only natural ingredients. Do you want to know how to make your own night oil for the eye area? Then come along with me. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. Leave your like and comment, hit the notification bell and share this video. And take every opportunity to live a more natural life. To make 15 milliliters of this formula, you will use argan oil, which is an excellent skin repairing oil, macadamia oil, which contributes to nutrition and beauty. To stimulate regeneration, we will use calendula macerated in jojoba oil, rosehip oil for revitalization, sea buckthorn, which is also an excellent anti-aging oil, CO2 extract of pomegranate, which helps soothe the skin, vitamin E, which is also a great antioxidant, and neroli essential oil to combat signs of aging. You will also need a container to mix the ingredients. A 15 milliliter bottle, preferably made of dark glass to better preserve your serum, and the use of pipettes and a glass rod for mixing the ingredients is optional. And finally, a small funnel, in addition of course a precision scale. Let's start by weighing the oils in a container. You will need 3.75 grams of the wonderful argan oil. This oil is absorbed very well and is a great option to help improve the appearance of the skin. Add 3.15 grams of macadamia oil. Macadamia oil is an occlusive oil and will not be absorbed quickly by the skin, leaving a protective layer that will help with hydration. From the calendula oil, which was macerated in jojoba oil, I will use 2.85 grams. I will leave below in the description the link to the video in which I showed how to make macerated oils that you can use in your natural cosmetics for skin and also for hair. Our next ingredient is rosehip oil, which is quickly absorbed and is widely used against signs of aging. Here we will add 2.80 grams. The amount of sea buckthorn oil will be 2.25 grams. Here I am using sea buckthorn seed oil, which is quickly absorbed. However, for the macerated fruit oil of the plant, the absorption time will depend on the carrier oil used in the maceration, but you can use whichever oil you like. Add to the blend 0.09 grams of pomegranate CO2 extract. This extract is an antioxidant. It can penetrate the deeper layers, helps neutralize free radicals, and aids skin health. Vitamin E, in addition to being a great antioxidant for the skin, also helps maintain the mixture of oils without oxidation for a longer time. I will use 0.09 grams. And since the essential oil is extremely strong and the skin around the eyes is delicate, I am using only 1 drop of neroli essential oil, approximately 0.02 grams. In this case, The essential oil is not for fragrance, but as part of the treatment for this area, as it will help repair the skin. Now just mix the ingredients very well. Remember that natural oils, when they are not refined, have a slightly stronger smell compared to refined oils. However, they are full of beneficial properties for the skin. With the help of a funnel, pour the mixture into the chosen glass container to store your serum. I'll leave the amount of ingredients I'm using in this recipe down below in the description. Close the container and your night serum for the eye area is ready. Now just label it and your serum is ready to use. To apply, use a small amount 3 to 4 times a week in the area and gently massage with your fingertips. And what about you? Have you ever used oils around your eyes? Let me know in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, hit the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Leave your comment below and see you in the next video.